All right, so hello and welcome. Just take a few seconds to make sure the audio is working. So it's going to be snapshot array LeetCode 1146. Try to take a look at this, see how quickly I can get it done. Snapshot array. Nice. So yeah, sometimes it's better I don't just immediately submit questions because I have typo errors, and those are challenging, you know. Okay, so close the other one, and we'll get into this one. Snapshot array. Let's see how this goes. I think I'll do maybe like a couple more questions, then probably take a break. Maybe go to sleep or something. I don't know. Implement a snapshot array that supports the following interface: snapshot array in length, and initializes an array-like data structure with a given length. Initially, each element equals 0. Void set index val sets the element at the given index to be equal to val. Int snap takes a snapshot of the array, returns the snap ID, the total number of times we called snap -1. Int get index snap ID returns the value at the given index at the time we took the snapshot with the given snap ID. Example 1, snapshot array set snap set get 3 0 5 empty 0 6 0 null null 0 null 5. Explanation: new snapshot array, set the length to be 3. Set 0 5, take a snapshot, return snap ID 0. Set 0 6, get the value of array 0, snap ID 0, return 5. Oh, okay, it's like a persistent data structure. Similar to a persistent data structure, although I don't really want to actually build a persistent data structure. That's kind of annoying. Wow, pretty low acceptance rate, but a lot of submissions. Holy smokes. So 50,000 is going to be the length. Values could be between 0 and a billion inclusive. Snap ID is the total number of times we called snap. And at most 50,000 calls we made to set, snap, and get. Okay. I mean, I could just could use a hash set at the indices, and then just use the snap ID. As the element in the hash set. I think that's probably the easiest way to do it. Yeah. Use an associative array for the ID. Just use an array with an associative array as a, yeah. Okay. The val element of the given index to be equal to val. Snap ID will just keep incrementing as I go. Element of the given index to be equal to val. What I'm looking for is conditions where things could break. What if the get if the thing is not there? What if get is not there? I could just try the test case. What does snap return? Zero 1 2 0 1 2. What is snap? Doesn't return anything? Oh no, it returns the snap number. Okay, no, that's fine. Never mind. It does return. It returns just the snap ID. Whatever that is. All right, I think I know what to do here. This shouldn't be too bad. Famous last words, right? Some bold words. Let me try to get something that's like 1 1 or 0 1, or let me try to 1 1 or 1 0. Let's do that. Okay, I never put anything in at 1, so I want to see what happens in the what they expect that test case. Okay, so if I get 1 The 0, I should have 0. I think they're all initialized to 0. Oh, I see. Okay. Oh. Oh, that's interesting. The entire array at a particular snap ID. Oh, maybe I should not. Actually, how big can the array be? Ooh, no. I have to be a little more clever than that. No. I should use the logarithm. I should use a vector of vectors and then also get vectors have indices. Oh, okay. To make this a little more sophisticated, definitely. Oh, okay. I was like, this is not easy. This is not hard. I see. So, given the snap ID, the entire array at a particular snapshot is saved. Yeah, it's a little more sophisticated. I see. Okay. Okay. Yeah, I'm thinking a vector of pairs is probably fine, because then I can binary search on the indices of the pairs. Yeah. Yeah, just upper bound, subtract 1 to find the right pair. That's logarithmic time to perform the get. And it saves a lot of memory and a lot of extra work, constant time to set, and yeah, it's constant time to set. You just modify the back of the vector, push an element on the vector and modify it. Yeah, it should be constant time snap, constant time set. Snap just increments the snap into ID. Set just modify. If the element with that set ID is not what's on the back, then you add that element with the new set value. If it's already there, then just modify the set value. The get just performs a binary search at that index. What if you try to snap? I think the snaps are guaranteed not to be. What if you try to get 1? I think the snaps are guaranteed to. So the gets, as long as they're less than the snap. Yeah, get arguments 0, 0. Okay, yeah. So that's invalid. Okay, great. So I don't have to worry about all that. Okay, great. That was what I was curious about. What happens if it's not there? But there's always something. It's all initialized to 0. So okay. Someone was explaining it's better to put private underneath, which I think is a good idea. I think I agree. I agree with that. Okay, so I want an array. I want a C style array. Excuse me, array vector int array, but I don't know the length of the array, so I guess I can't do it this way. Yeah. All right, it's fine. Could use a vector. No big deal. Vector of vectors of pairs events. I'll explain how this is going to work. Array. And here, when I get the length, we're going to say array set to vector of pairs. Oh boy. Ints. Which is going to be like the following. It's going to have length, number of elements. We're also going to have the snap ID. It's going to be 0. I think yeah, actually we're going to return what the snap ID is and then increment it, because we're going to be using the snap ID for the set and get routines. I'll come back to that later, but this is going to be a vector of length, and each of these vectors are going to have a single pair of 0, 0. Yeah. Yes. And when I set, I'm going to say, I give an index. We're going to say auto reference v is going to be array of index. And then we're going to say if v.back.first, yeah, v.back .first. So that's going to be the snap ID. Yeah, that's going to be the snap ID. That is not equal to the snap ID. Then we're going to v.pushback a new and return. We're going to push back snap ID with the value. Place back is really what I should do. Okay, otherwise, we're going to say v.back.first. It already is the snap ID. v.back.second is going to be updated to value. Okay. When I snap, yeah, just increment the ID. Now when I do a get, this is going to be auto v is array index, and this should be const auto v, and then I'm going to say standard upper bound get a pointer, standard upper bound on v begin, v end, and what I'm going to search for is -1, and this is going to be the snap ID, right? It's a little confusing because this is like target snap ID. This is different from the, anyway, it's interesting. And then I'm going to return dereference the pointer and get the second value. Decrement the pointer, excuse me. Yeah, something like this. Something along these lines is what I'm after. I have to generate some test cases to make sure I didn't mess something up. Okay. How come I can't? Whoa. Oh, okay. Interesting. Okay. Let's just, I don't know, make some debug messages here. I don't know exactly what I did, but I did something wrong. Also, bad habits die hard. That's like quite a habit that I've developed over the years. So we have set, snap, and get. Okay. All right, let's try these things. See how we do. How am I doing here? 15 minutes. Set, snap, set, get. Set, snap, set. So the get is the problem. Okay. Array index has a length of 3. This shouldn't be the problem. Pointer, upper bound. Looking for 0, snap ID 0. Oh, maybe first element that's larger than this. I just want to compare on the ID. That could be the problem. That could be the problem. Not sure if this matters, but maybe it does. Oh boy. Just return P1 first, less than P2 for second first. Maybe that's the issue. Could try that. That could be it. It's just because I used a -1, it made things kind of awkward. That might be why. Yeah, I'll just make it simple and just use a custom comparator. Keep it simple. Okay, so now here we have like 0, 1. So we could do 1, 0 for the get. We could do 2, 0 for the get. I kind of don't want to generate too many test cases, quite frankly. I think there could be many possibilities. Maybe let me snap again. Let me set a few things, and then snap again, and then perform a get. So this could be, what did I say? It's going to be snap, set, set, snap, get. So snap is, I think, nothing there. Then we're going to set 1 to 10. Then we're going to set 1 to 1, and then we're going to snap again. And then we're going to get 1 at the snap, which is snap 1, and then get 1, 2, something like this. See if what that does. All right, I'm gonna just go for it. I don't know. I could be wrong. There's a good chance it's wrong. Nervous. Oh, got it. Sweet. Yeah, I just don't want to go through all the testing. It's like I just don't want to. You have to generate all those test cases, man. It's a lot of test cases. Wow, this is quite a runtime. Whoa, no kidding. Submit it 5 times. 1, 2, 3. I mean, this should be relatively efficient. I don't know why. 1, 2, 3. 2 more times. 1, 2, 3. Oh, it's because I'm printing the debug. Oh, debug output. Ooh, forgot about that. Oops. It's like this should be so much more efficient. What's going on? Why is this TLE? What's happening? I didn't even notice that. Oh, jeez. Okay, that's better. Okay, I was like, this should be so fast. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Should be relatively fast. Now, these routines are relatively efficient. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Thinking if there's I'm wondering if maybe I should do maybe it should just be 2 billion. Maybe I'd not use the custom comparator and just make this 2 billion. Does this still work correctly? I think it does. I think the values that are being set are bounded by like 1 billion. So I think this is a little bit better if I do it this way. Could try it. Scared to try it, but go for it anyway. I don't think this matters that much. I don't think so. Shouldn't matter. Really shouldn't matter, I think. I'm gonna go for it. Go for it. Yep, still works. Oh, a lot faster. There we go. There we go. Now we're speeding on by. Yeah, I was gonna say I think that's probably, custom comparators slows things down a little bit. So okay, very good. So yeah, that was like 20 minutes. It's like not I'm trying to get things down to like 10 minutes. I think people like to watch videos that are like 10 minutes long. It gets pushed by the algorithm and it comes across people's eyes. Yeah, okay. Submit one more time. 1, 2, 3. So yeah, if you like the video, give it a like and subscribe for more. And I'm gonna go ahead and stop here. I'm gonna take a break, I think, for a few minutes. I'll end the stream and look to restart the stream on a new problem. End the stream and look to restart the stream on a new problem. Although I think I just want to take a break, just kind of lay down for a few minutes. Yeah. I don't know. Maybe pick up another question. I'm not sure. Okay. All right. Take care.